Today's video, short and sweet introduction. I recently celebrated my 37th birthday and had all the family over, and I decided to play a little game with them. A lot of these people have not operated heavy machines before. This is maybe their first time. Some of them maybe have rented machines or ran them in their lives. Minimal. So I think there was 10, including my neighbor that came over. So we played basically a version of ring toss with the excavator. I cut rings out of a double wall culvert pipe. We picked them up with the excavator and then moved them to the road cone. So it was awesome to see some of these people that have never operated machines really enjoy it and come together for my birthday and just have a good time. So I'm not going to edit the film very much. This is probably going to be a long video, but it's for my family. So I appreciate all of you for coming over and playing the game with me, and I already have something in the wheelhouse for the next time. So appreciate you, love you all. Enjoy.
On your mark, get set, go! James and Lori are here.
Welcome to Excavator Games.
Or to the right. Left arm, left hand, to the right. Oh, I'm sorry. To the left.
I was like,
I thought we were practicing still.
oh, she's in it.
Sorry.